Hello guys, welcome to Turkish Pastry. In this video we will be making baklava, which is a Turkish delight, and also in Turkey it can be made with different flavors with different dry fruits like walnuts, pistachios. So let's begin its preparation. To make Turkish baklava I will be using filo dough. It's a normal filo dough. I will make baklava in a tart shape, so I am rolling the dough. Now I will cut it into 3 equal parts. And roll the dough out of it. It's a soft dough, you can see it. Now we will take one dough for making filo sheets. For making filo sheets, we will roll the dough. Now we will cut it into 8 equal portions. Now you can see I have made smaller doughs out of the 3 big doughs. Now we will spread some flour mixture on our mat. And now we will start rolling our smaller doughs in a circular motion. Now I have combined all the 8 sheets, and now I will spread some more flour and will roll it till it's transparent. Now you can see I have rolled the dough to a high extent. Filo sheets are easily available in the market. You can take them, or if you want the recipe of filo sheets, you can comment down. I will make a separate video for it. Now I will show you its thinness. You can see how thin it is. My hand is visible through the filo sheets. As I told you before, my baklava will be in tart shape, so I am keeping my tart molds on the baklava sheet to cut it in its size. Now I will cut my sheet into half. Now I will grease the mold properly. After that I will spread my filo sheets one by one in the tart mold. You can see even the mold is visible through my sheets. So you have to make the sheets that thin. Now I am spreading my 8th sheet, and now I will press it inside so that it takes the shape of the tart mold. Traditionally, baklava is made with one dry fruit, that is pistachios. Now we will add some pistachios. Now repeat the same process as before and spread all the sheets. We are making a 2-layer baklava in tart mold. Now spread some more pistachios and now put more sheets above it. You have to repeat the process 3 times and make it a 24 layered baklava. Now cut the leftover edges of the bowl for the tart mold. I have cut all the edges of my baklava. Now we will punch holes so that butter can go easily inside our baklava. Now we will put clarified butter in our baklava molds. Now we will bake our baklava in our oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Preheat the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our baklava is ready. Now we will put the sugar syrup and dress it with pistachios. Now we will dress it with pistachios, and royal Turkish baklava is ready to serve your guests. You can see layers of our baklava.